Hello everyone. I want to give you an update on how I analyze GBPUSD pair for this week. Firstly, I can see that on 1 week there is a minor shift of character from here. You can see it here. There's a minor shift of character, and I can take this as another block. Bear with me, I lost my voice. But it's another block. That's why there's a kind of rejection around this zone. You can see it here. If I put my line here, okay, bear with me. There's a kind of rejection there. So like another block on 1 week. Then I come here, I pick my one day chart, and I pick my 1 day chart. I look inside here and I see a break of structure here which has taken place. And a form of retracement, so I'll call this a break of structure for me, a break of structure, but it might not really be a break of structure, but for me, I always count the candle behind 1, 2, 3. I might call this a break of structure here. Let me label it so that it'll be easy for you to see. I lost my voice, so kindly bear with me. Okay. Then I come down to my 4 hours chart. I know that I look at my 4 hours chart very well. I can see here, normally in my 1 day chart, right? I'm going to take this whole zone as my OB. But like I said, if I put my pen here, this is like a liquidation. This was a liquidation that took place here. Can you see it? So I will signal this as a break of structure. It's still a break of structure, but we all know that when there's a liquidation, it means market wants to go boo. So I come to my 4 hours. I'm looking for a buy on 4 hours. Then I mark here as a break of structure. This whole zone as a break of structure. I won't categorize this candle as a break of structure because it came out with a wick. So I won't look at it as a break of structure. I lost my voice again. I'm so sorry about this. Now I take my Fibonacci, Gege. Then I look for the closest other block. This is another block, but this week has already filled the whole gap that would have taken the space there. But it's still another block. This is the other block that's available on 4 hours, which I always like to label. I pick my settings from there and I label it as 4 hours. This is how I analyze my own chart, please. On 4 hours, I remove the fib from there, the Fibonacci. Then I come down. Sometimes I might check 3 hours. Sometimes I might check 2 hours. Just see what's happening there. There's no anything there. Then I come down to 1 hour. Okay. So 1 hour, can you see it on 1 hour? Bear with me again, I lost my voice. On 1 hour, you can see that there was a shift in market structure here, which I'm going to still label a shift in market structure. Now, if I grow my Fibonacci from the higher high to the high of the year, yeah, can you see it? I would try to look for a fair value gap around there. Is there anyone here? I call this a fair value gap. No, but this is a mitigation zone. We have rules. We look for liquidity void. That is the impulse move from your from the point of your POI, an impulse move in the direction. Now, if you can see here, this is like this is to me. I'll take this as my own breaker block because there is a break of structure here. If you can see that here, there's a break of structure here. Where's my? You can see that here. Then I come down to 1 hour, 15 minutes. I can check 45 minutes. I can check 30 minutes. What's 30 minutes showing me? 30 minutes not showing me anything. Then I can come down to 15 minutes. See what 15 minutes is showing me. Normally it's against the rule, but you can see here that in 15 minutes there's already a shift here. There's already a shift here. But I won't take that trade, right? It's a risky one. So I'll wait for markets to come down here. Now my zone for my 1 hour zone on 15 minutes. If you can see it here, there was a break of structure here. Market tried to mitigate this zone and it did not work. Can you see it? This was the zone that market wanted to use to mitigate it. and it did not work. That's where our mitigation zone comes in. That's where mitigation zone comes in. Then the Were came and broke it and retested. So around here, I'm looking for an entry. I can't find any entry around here. I check 5 minutes. The entry I can take around here would be this one. Break of structure. I'm sorry. So I can see here, there was a break of structure here. Market went in, came up here, did a break of structure. This is a proportional block. I can take this one. My entry can start from here. If I want it to a 5 minute zone, I will start from there as my own form of entry. If I want to that 5 minute zone, and I can put my entry from here. And this will be my entry here. But like I said, it's a proportional block from 1 hour. You can see it's a proportional block from 1 hour. But also, we should not forget also, our stop loss should be around here because there is another, our FVG is here, which I also label 15 minutes. So I will enter this trade until market have done a shift of character, shift in trend here before it start going up, and we start looking for our take profits, the old lows and the old highs, which we'll be looking for old lows and old highs. Then a form of liquidation. I take my TP from 1 hour. These are liquidation up here. Old lows are old highs, and that one is here again. But I'm looking at the bullish momentum, and that one is up here again. So it depends on how you want to analyze it. So this is how I analyze my own chart. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also tap on that like button and also share with your friends. My channel is a growing channel and I hope it's going to keep growing to help people that are struggling to go in the forex market. Thank you very much.